How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now, firstly, open up the Instagram app on your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Once you get logged into your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you will be taken to your profile page. And here you will be able to see all your posts, followers, and following of your account. Now tap on followings and there you will be able to see all the following list of your account. But let me tell you that it is impossible to unfollow everyone on Instagram with one tap. Now what you need to do is to tap on the following button available next to the first person in the list to end following that person. Here confirm that button because a blue follow button will shows up. You must repeat the previous step for up to 200 people that Instagram shows in the list, as Instagram restricts you to about 200 unfollowing per hour. To unfollow everyone, you must unfollow the people individually in group of 200, then you must wait about an hour. After that, you might unfollow 200 more till you finish your list. But in the case you have used following list and you want to unfollow all of those people at once, then what you can do is to go back to your profile section and there tap on the three lines at the top right of the screen, and there a menu will pop up on your screen. Now from the menu, tap on settings and privacy option and then you will be headed to the settings and privacy section. Now scroll this page to the bottom and there under more information and support section you will be able to find help option. Tap on that option. Now select the very first option, reports a problem. Once you tap on it, a pop-up box will appear from the bottom. Now again tap on report a problem button. Now tap on don't include and continue option at the bottom. Now here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram. Before that, tap on this cross icon to remove the screenshot from your report and then briefly explain your problem. You can write something like this: hello Instagram support team, I have a huge following list and I want to unfollow them at once. So please help me to unfollow at once as it's very time consuming for me to unfollow each and everyone. Thank you. And once you're done with it, tap on send button at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on send button, your report will be submitted and Instagram will get back to you within a few days or hours. Now just like that, you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.